The next theme in the 52-week movie challenge is a disaster movie, so I went with a classic. Even though it's a parody of the disaster genre, what makes it such a great spoof comedy is that Airplane can stand on its own without having any knowledge of what it spoofs. With such a creative and diverse abundance of jokes consisting of slapstick, visual gags, gross out humor, surreal humor, and in-jokes make this one of the funniest films I've seen just for sheer consistency and variety. Because it has a runtime no longer than an hour and a half, it moves like, a jet. And I found myself laughing quite hard for most of the film. Highly recommended.